Okay, turn your question number 1 also there, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is question
Okay,
number
sir.
1? Is it our question number 1?
Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right?
Yes,
Equal
what is our question?
corresponding.
First of all, you try to understand the question. Now, Sadhana.
In the given figure, triangle ABC similar angle PQR right I number equal corresponding angles. And I second the corresponding sides and their relation also.
Yes. Now, everybody, are you listening me? First question number
Yes,
first. A is in the given figure, means two figures are given in our screen. And whereas triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar triangle, you know, there is the given symbol of similarity. So triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. Now write. What to write? Means two questions are given here. First one is equal corresponding angles. Means now we should identify the corresponding angles between these two similar triangles. Right? Now next one. Question number 2 is corresponding sides and their relation also. What are the corresponding sides? First of all, we should identify the corresponding sides. Then we have to write the relation between corresponding sides. Is it clear? Are you clear with question?
Yes, sir.
Here are two triangles are already similar triangle, which is according to our question. Similarity is already given. Now, having similar triangles, which angles are corresponding angles? Can you guess here?
Yes, sir.
Which are?
Angle A.
Angle B and angle Q and angle A and angle B and angle C and angle
Yes,
R.
very good. According to the given what? Symbol of
Figure.
our triangle, you know?
Symbol.
There is given. Two triangles are, please look at here. Angle A equals to angle P.
P.
Is it? Having same symbol.
P.
And angle B equals to angle Q. So remaining one is always equal to each other, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you have reason that? Why remaining angle are equal? Means sum of the angle of triangle is 180, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sum of these angles are 180. Suppose, just for example, if this angle is 60 degree, just to understand that angle, if it is 70 degree. Similarly, here is also 70, then here is also 60. Please try to understand here. Then what will be remain this one? Means altogether here must be 180 degree.
180
and 70, 60, 130. Now remaining it should be
50
degree. So here is also 50, isn't it? The two angles are same, then remaining one must be same. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Corresponding angles means which are? Angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R.
R. Yes, sir.
Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am asking to all. Everybody, are you listening? Okay? Okay, now come to corresponding sides and their relation. Which are the corresponding sides? Means which angles are overlapped there, isn't it? Or which angle are equal? That sides opposite of equal angles are corresponding sides. We already learned in our congruent triangle, isn't it? Which sides are corresponding? Can you identify here?
Yes, sir.
Which are?
AB and PQ.
Yes, AB is corresponding with PQ. Please listen to me here. Why means angle C and angle R are already equal, isn't it? Here, angle C and R equal. So opposite side of angle C, AB, and opposite side of angle R, PQ. They are corresponding. Similarly, BC and QR also. Opposite of angle
P.
Yes. Similarly, AC and PR also
Equal.
not equal. Not equal. At least you identify the corresponding sides only. what is the corresponding means, is it? Then now come to the relation of corresponding sides. Do you know what is the corresponding relation of corresponding angle and relation of corresponding side? In our last class we were discussing about the relation of equal corresponding angle and corresponding sides. Means in our question here is already given, please look at here, equal, isn't it? So corresponding angle are always equal, right? Written here, isn't it? But corresponding sides are what? What is the relation of corresponding sides? Proportional. Yes, proportional. Not equal to. So how to write proportional means, look at here please. This is most important here. Corresponding sides and their relation are, here is, look at here, and BC by 2R, then AC by, yeah. Clear? Are you clear here? Any confusion?
No confusion.
Yes, no confusion. Good. Okay, please now
Confusion.
to come to next number.
Yeah.
Please now come to next number.
Number B.
Yes. In the adjoining figure, here is also ABC and DEF. Two triangles are given here. DEC, ABC and ABC means this one big triangle, you know. ABC means ABC are what? ABC, this triangle, look at here. ABC means large triangle, isn't it? Here is a large triangle. ABC, please look at here. A is here and B is there, right? And C is here. And then next DEC. DEC means this is small triangle. Please look at here. DEC. DEC is here. D, E, and here is C. C. Please look at here. Two triangles are joined in the same place, isn't it? So whenever we separate it, two triangles, they will be, one is bigger and next is smaller, isn't it? But they are similar. The
Yes,
symbol
sir.
of similarity is already given here. So these two triangles are already similar. Now having similar triangle ABC and DEC, now two questions are here. First one is write equal corresponding angles, which is just like number 1A, and then next is same corresponding sides and their relation. Are you clear here?
Yes.
Yes, just I provide you 2 minutes. First of all you write there, then I will again ask you.
Angle A is equal to angle D.
Angle D equals to
Angle A.
angle D equals to angle A. Yes, isn't it? Why? Do you have reason? We try to,
Corresponding.
yes, try to search the reason also here. You haven't seen here symbol of, what are the symbol of these two lines?
Parallel.
Yes, and having parallel lines, what is there then? Having parallel lines, these two angles are not corresponding. Similarly, angle E equals to angle
Angle
E
B.
equals to angle B. They are also corresponding, isn't it? Yes. AB and DE are parallel line and BC is our transversal. In and out. Having
Yes,
same
sir.
side of the transversal. They are corresponding. Both are equal. And angle C is common angle, you know. This is the common angle which is belongs to both triangle. Triangle ABC and triangle DEC. Are you clear there?
CDE.
Yes. Yes, so that what is the corresponding angle? Means look at here. Corresponding angles are angle A equals to angle D, B equals to angle E, and C equals to C.
Angle C.
Yes. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No. Yes, now come to corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. Their relation is, I already told you in that number A also. What is the relation of corresponding sides?
Proportional.
Proportional. Yes. Now, which side will be? Try to write here. What you have written here?
AC by DC.
AB by what?
DC.
Huh?
Or AC by DC.
Yes.
AC by DC, AB by DE,
AC
DC by
and last one is here. AC BC. Yes, I have written that sides of big one triangle. You know, AB, AC and BC. Now tell me in down, what will be their proportional sides? AB by what?
DE.
AB by
DE.
DE. Yes, good. Similarly, AC by
DC.
DC or CD, isn't it? DC or CD, you can write both. And then BC,
DC by CE.
C, good. Yes, yes, good. Yes, please look at there. AC by CD, BC by C, and AB by D.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now come to question number 2. First one A. Please read the question properly. You read your question properly.
Yes.
Find the value of x and y. Whereas two triangles, given two triangles ABC and PQR are similar, isn't it? Similar means we know that there is the corresponding angle and corresponding sides also, isn't it? Yes, we can say easily that which angles are corresponding angles here, isn't it? According to the symbol of given figure, can you say corresponding angle or not? Yes, yes, angle A, don't say AB. First you try to say the corresponding angle.
Angle A is equals to angle P.
Angle
Yes.
B.
Yes,
Angle
Anita,
B
try to
equals
say.
to
A
angle
equals
C
to,
equals
yes.
to angle R.
Very simple to, here is symbol also same, easy, you know. A equals to P, isn't it? Same symbol, and angle C equals to angle R, and B equals to angle Q, right?
Q. Yes, sir.
No confusion. So, how to find that length of x and y? X is here, y is here. Have you seen? X is here, y is here.
Yes, sir.
So how to find means, first of all we have to know the relation of these corresponding sides. We know that relation is proportional, but which sides are in proportion? So first of all we have to write here proportional sides. Look at here. ABC and PQR, similar triangle having A axiom is. Then come to corresponding sides. Look at there. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Any confusion? Please look at here. AB upon PQ being a angle C equals to angle R. You know, AB by PQ. Similarly, BC by QX being angle A equals to. Yes, please. Are you looking my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now come to look at here. And AC by PR. Are you clear there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now among these three pair of corresponding sides. Now, first of all, we have to take only one set only. Means AB by PQ and AC by PR. Y
BC and
means,
QR what?
yes, BC, if we wrote there BC means, again there is X and Y will come together. You know, we do not find that value of directly X and Y together, so we have to do separate it, isn't it? Whenever you took that Y, at that time you leave that X, turn by turn. AB is Y by, look at here, we are calculating the value also by PQ, whereas given 16 cm. Then again we took AC by PQ, 10 cm by 20 cm, isn't it? Please look at here. Have you seen the proportion structure? Clear? Y by 16 cm and 10 cm AC by 20 cm is here.
Yes, sir.
Please, if you have any confusion, please tell me. Y by 16 cm, cm in right hand side here is cancel, cm cancel, 10 to the or 0 cancel, 1 by 2, right? Then
Yes.
remain 1 by 2. Now do the, here is also we can cross it, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are, isn't it? We can cross here also. So by doing cross multiply, y 1s are y and 8 cm 1s are 8 cm. So value of y is 8 cm. Clear? Now come to next. AB by PQ. Again, AB by PQ. PQ now this side. AB by PQ and BC by, look at there, QR. Means we are going to find the value of X. AB means how much? AB means, please don't be confusion here. AB means Y. Y means we already got the value of Y X, 8 cm. Are you clear here? AB means, this AB means 8 cm. We got from first step, you know. So I have written here AB means 8 cm. 8 cm by 16 cm equals to BC means 6 cm by X, QR.